Hey, wake your lineup.
Hey, are you mic'd up?
Yeah.
Hey.
We need to work to number 9 right there. Like Arthur needs to drive him more outside because look at the cutback lane. You feel what I'm saying?
But they ain't got nobody over there, dog. You one-on-one with a corner, that's a win for me all day.
Receivers has to hold their block. Y'all have to hold y'all block.
You good, baby?
Let's go.
Run mine like a jig.
Huh?
Run mine like a jig.
Right now, yep. Yep, but watch that safety, because I think he's creeping over the block.
Yeah.
Yeah, if we stop him right now, we're going to trouble.
All right. I ain't even try to hit him. I'm going to brack him. Want me to brack him?
Oh, he didn't want none of that. Oh, he didn't want none of that.
Down! Set! Go! You guys are fucking heavy, man.
We gotta do sometimes, right?
Good?
Yeah. We're in here sleepwalking. It's that same feel we had last year, right? Edward! Same feel we had last year.
See this? What? Yes, that must be looking down, dang. That's kind of beastie too. Let me see, that one's beastie too.
If you get a better block, I don't have to do all this, bro. I don't have to do all this. Look at you. I don't have to do all that, bro. Like,
Dang, okay, let's go. Come on.
Bro, I'm finna line up in Rex and that, cause Ace. Hey, what you wanna do with that cross, Devon? What you wanna do with that cross? All right. Hey, he did a reverse. Want me to just chase it? Smack her! Ooh.
Hey, how much you want to bet we score next try?
I got it.
Oh!
Shit.
Because he freaking came at you.
Oh,
Hey, number 1 was on you that whole time.
I know.
Get on the ball, squeeze!
Hey, Dev Bubba, you going for a ride?
Who?
You.
Win right now?
And them 24, we
I still
dragging
top of
them.
him, bro.
Bro, you don't understand? You're bigger than me. Number 1 is bigger than me.
That had nothing to do with nothing. What? Nothing to do
So
with
why them 24 dragging you?
why I still get the top? We both got questions, huh?